Hi, friends and traders. Welcome to Trending Sutra. My name is Amit. Good evening. And today we are going to start our new video blog series where we'll be discussing about overall market scenario at the end of the session. It's kind of a market snapshot on the data and other related things. So let's start with our today's market session. What exactly happened? So today Nifty closed almost flat, whereas the volatility in the index remained around 130, 140 points. It opens almost flat, fell around 120, 20, 30 points, and then it recovered sharply, break its day high, and then again fell it. So it is more or less a roller coaster ride for the Nifty. Whereas the Bank Nifty, it was more or less stable and tilted positively since the opening. It fell around 150 points initially in the morning session, but later it got recovered. And we have a volatility of approximately 360 points in the Bank Nifty. So the divergence between Nifty and Bank Nifty is again tilted towards the banks. If you talk about the contribution, then from the FII and DII, so as per updated data, FII sold approximately 1,139 crore, whereas DII will remain net buyer of 2,600 crore. They FII actually sold in future in cash market that we are seeing, but they bought actually around 239 crore in the index future, whereas in option they bought around 200 like 20 to 66 crore. In the stock future, in the index future, they bought 239 crore. And in the stock future, FI actually are selling it 66 crore. So somehow it's quite visible that they are, booking some profit, or they are net seller in the stocks in the cash segment. But somehow their position, they still are adding some position into the index future. Dollar rupee actually fell sharply today in a surprise move. Rupee actually fell below 1850, and it closed approximately above 1896 in the future and 1880 in the spot. So it fell around 50 paisa, approximately 0.65. So that is a major concern for the market that we should look that today, most probably due to the OMC buying or some other factors, that we see so much of buying in the dollar against the rupee. If we see the contribution part, then majorly Nifty gainers were SBI, SDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Financial like SDFC, and metals. Whereas the dragger remains Reliance, and Axis Bank was the only bank which actually posted in the negative territory. Whereas TCS, Tata Motors, Bharti, Tech Mahindra, they remain the biggest laggard in the Nifty. In the Bank Nifty, almost all the contribution, all the constituent of the Bank Nifty were ended positively, except the Axis Bank. That's why Bank Nifty performed quite well compared to Nifty. And if you talk about the setup for the tomorrow, then as per option data, the maximum open interest added in the call side of 18,700, approximately 20 lakh, whereas on the put side, around 8.6 lakh is added on the put side. So call is added on the Nifty, whereas in the Bank Nifty, if you talk about 43,500 is still having the highest open interest in terms of for the call side, and 43,000 still commanding the highest open interest on the put side. Maximum open interest today was added on 40,000, 43,300 on the put side, whereas the call was added around 43,200. So more puts were added in the Bank Nifty than the Nifty. So somehow, if let's say that 43,500 is taken out on the spot in the Bank Nifty, then definitely we could see some further rally ahead of the key RBI policy meeting on the Wednesday. But that is not more likely to be happen considering how oil has recovered from the bottom, and dollar rupee also like gained more than 0.65%. So let's see how overnight what is going to be happen. And if I see Dow Index future is still 195 point minus, S&P is still 0.55% minus, whereas the Nasdaq is also negative in 0.5%. So globally, market is in negative, and as per our understanding and our setup, Nifty is still showing weakness. Bank Nifty whereas showing the divergence, and we'll see how it play out in the next session. That's for now. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, share, and like the video. Thank you.